Hello everyone, I'm Zilla and welcome to my channel. Today's video is inspired by a new purchase that I've made. But before I get into this video, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching fashion, travel or lifestyle videos. And don't forget to press the little bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. For fashion inspiration, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm Style Queen Zilla. Now, I'm not sure if you guys have watched my Gucci belt unboxing video. But if you haven't watched that video, please stop this video and go and watch that video. In that video, I talk about manifesting a Gucci bag. I bought my first designer bag and I'm really excited to unbox this bag and to show you this bag and to tell you what I think of it. I wasn't sure how I was going to get this bag and when I was going to get this bag. So let the unboxing begin. I'm going to show you guys what this bag looks like and I'll also tell you how much I paid for it. As you can see, this bag comes in a beautiful bag. Pun on purpose or pun intended. Anyway, anything you buy from Gucci comes beautifully packaged. And you can see how beautiful this bag is. That is so beautifully wrapped. I love Gucci packaging. And like I said in my Gucci belt unboxing video, it's exactly what you expect from a luxury or designer brand. That's exactly how you expect the stuff to be packaged. The Gucci logo on the box and the Gucci writing on this ribbon. I love this ribbon. Gucci is so generous with their ribbon. And in the box, you have the bag in a dust bag. I'll turn it around so you can have a look at it. They've placed it nicely in a dust bag. This is the Gucci Marmont Mini. This is perfect for protecting your bag. And I believe you should always store your bag in this little dust bag. So let's reveal this bag. Gucci Marmont bag. Or let me rephrase that, the Gucci Marmont Super Mini bag. It's got the double G. The double G's on the front. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a lovely soft leather. And on the back, it's got this beautiful heart. I love the detail on this bag, all the little details. People don't normally see the back of this bag, but when your bag is on the table or people are looking at it from the other side, they can actually see the little heart on this bag. And what's lovely about this bag is that it's got a flat surface at the bottom. So you can stand the bag up. And when you open the bag, I'm trying not to scratch it, my nails are a bit long. It's got like a little magnetic clip on the bag that just, little magnetic clip, and that's what the inside of the bag looks like. It's got Gucci inside, all the Gucci, probably the care of the bag inside. I'll read that a bit later, but for now I just want to show you what the bag looks like inside. It's the clip of the bag, and it's got this chain. And one thing that's good about this bag is that you can actually wear it in several different ways by adjusting the strap. It depends how long or how short you want it on the day. So I'll just open the bag again, being careful not to scratch it with my nails, and let's turn the bag around carefully, and I'll pull this off. Let's take this packaging off the clip. Gold details, just beautiful. Choose a bag that suits your frame. And this bag is perfect, the Gucci Marmont Super Mini, because it's perfect for my frame. It's not too big, it's just perfect. And there you have the Gucci. This bag was bought in King Street in Perth. I didn't buy it online. I paid $1,290 for this bag. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how much can actually fit into this Gucci Marmont Super Mini bag. I love the inside. It's like a brownie inside or biscuity color inside. Feels lovely. So let's just pull the chain out. It's not a strap, it's a chain. So I'll put my phone in. This is what I normally have in my bag. My phone, and this is an iPhone 11. And I always have Lippy in my bag. And probably car keys. And house keys I'd need in my bag. Okay, let's just, and let's just see what else I can get into this bag. If I just pack everything in nicely, that's gone in there. And because we all know that we have to wash our hands regularly, and if you not near a tap and you can't wash your hands, and we're all antibac in our hands because of COVID, we definitely need antibac in our bags. So let's see if this antibac is going to fit in this bag. Wow, there you go. I've got my phone, it's an iPhone 11. I've got the antibac, my Lippy, and my keys, my house keys and my car keys. And let's see if this bag's going to close. That will be the challenge. Okay, so there you have it. It's a bit of a tight squeeze, but it's actually fitted in there. But I'm just trying to demonstrate that this bag can actually carry a lot more than you think. But of course, I will opt for wipes in my bag instead of that little bottle of antibac. But you heard that, it clipped in, it closed perfectly. I've just rearranged it and it closed perfectly. So there you go. This mini can actually carry quite a few things inside, and these would be essentials, like I said, my Lippy, anti-bac, and I'm not advertising anything. It's not a sponsored video. My phone, iPhone 11. My house keys. And my car keys. Guys, I'm really excited about this purchase. I'm really glad that I could buy my first designer bag. And it happens to be a Gucci bag, a Gucci Marmont Mini. I chose the black because I've already got the black Gucci belt. And if you haven't watched my Gucci belt unboxing video, please watch that video. And in that video I did talk about manifesting a bag, and I think it's only fair that I tell you how I actually bought this bag, or how it came about that I bought this bag. When I recorded this video, I just knew that I wanted a Gucci Marmont bag, and when I went into the store to change my Gucci belt, because I actually bought the wrong size, I needed a 70 centimeter instead of 80 centimeters, so I went in store to the King Street branch in Perth and I changed my belt for a smaller belt. And while I was in the store, I looked at this bag again, because the day when I bought my belt, I actually looked at this bag, but I thought, you know what, I'm not going to be able to buy it. You know, it's a bit too expensive. I'll wait until I've saved some money and then I'll buy this bag. So what happened, when I got home, I thought about it and I just remembered that I had been saving during COVID, because we weren't going anywhere and I wasn't spending my money on anything. I didn't buy clothes online. I was really good, so I had saved up some money, and I decided that I was going to take that money and buy myself my Gucci Marmont mini bag. I really love this bag, guys, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if there's anything else that you think I've left out or you'd like to know about this bag, please comment down below and I will try and answer your questions. Hopefully I've covered everything about this bag, and please follow me on Instagram if you're not already following me, because I will be posting pics with this bag.